Welcome to Kelowna Carts Plus. We're here to introduce you to the new EZGO RXV 4. This is the first factory lifted version of the RXV. It introduces new fender flares for the front and a new brush guard along with the sport bumper and the 14-inch wheels and tires. Featuring the new 10-inch technology screen infotainment center where you have Android Auto, you have Apple CarPlay, you have a speedometer, tells you the state of charge of your unit, plus many other features for improved performance. Here we have a new stereo and soundbar, LED lighting, and all the sound to hear your greatest tunes. We've added 3-point seat belts, and we've added a captain's chair. Featuring a new backup camera, which you'll be able to view from your technology screen when you're in reverse. Featuring the new seat kit, Amarillo Brown stitch seating, storage pod. We're stocking these units in our Kelowna warehouse. Come and see one today.